Ever wondered why your barista seems extra chipper when you order that complicated coffee drink? Or how your salesperson knows exactly which product to push to close the deal? It might be because of something called a money spiff. Let's break it down. You know how you get a bonus at work for meeting a certain goal? A spiff is like a mini bonus, but it's usually tied to a specific action, like selling a particular product, signing up a new customer, or even just promoting a certain item. It's that little extra incentive that can make a world of difference. Imagine you're in a shoe store. You're eyeing a pair of sneakers, but you're not entirely sold. Then, the salesperson mentions that they get a bonus for selling that specific brand. Suddenly, those sneakers look a whole lot more appealing, right? That's the power of a spiff. But it's not just about sales. Companies use spiffs to encourage all sorts of behaviors. A restaurant might offer spiffs to servers for upselling desserts or appetizers. A call center might give spiffs to reps for resolving customer complaints quickly. And even your local grocery store could be using spiffs to push certain products. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great for the employees, but what's in it for me? Well, the thing is, spiffs can actually benefit customers too. When employees are motivated to sell or promote something, they're more likely to go the extra mile for you. They'll be more knowledgeable about the product, more enthusiastic about it, and more likely to offer you helpful suggestions. But it's important to remember that not all spiffs are created equal. Some companies might go overboard with incentives, which can lead to salespeople being overly pushy or even dishonest. So, it's essential to be a savvy consumer and know when a spiff is being used to benefit you and when it's being used to manipulate you. Let's talk about the different types of spiffs. There are straight-up cash bonuses, of course, but there are also other creative options. Some companies offer gift cards, merchandise, or even extra vacation time. And then there are the more intangible rewards, like public recognition or the satisfaction of a job well done. Spiffs can be a powerful tool for both businesses and employees. They can boost morale, increase sales, and improve customer satisfaction. But like any tool, they can be misused. So, the next time you encounter a particularly enthusiastic salesperson or a strangely compelling product recommendation, remember the power of the spiff. It's a fascinating world out there, and understanding the little intricacies can make a big difference. From the coffee shop to the car dealership, spiffs are shaping our consumer experiences. So, the next time you're out and about, keep an eye out for those little extra incentives. You might be surprised at what you discover. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.